What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver. We're back again with another video. Today we're gonna just jump right into things and just get with the flow, man. Get with the program, you know. So first things first, you wanna just take off your do-rag. And I know y'all wondering like what we finna do. What we finna do is I'm finna show y'all how to prevent over curling. Now I know a lot of y'all gonna start having over curling because summer coming up. It's hot. Your hair starts to over curl. You're woofing. It's getting hot and all of that. So, you know, what I do to help with over curling is what I'm gonna show y'all right now. But let me just show y'all my waves first. You know, I'm woofing out right now. A couple weeks in, I ain't got my hair cut since April 28th. It is now May. I don't even know when y'all see this video, but it's now like May 14th. Y'all see it? Okay. I ain't got my hair cut since the 28th, man. I know y'all see it. A few weeks in woofing, man. Now we might be going either 9 or 10 weeks with this one, man, but that's what we doing. So to prevent over curling, first thing you want to do, your hair is already over curled, just get that comb, get a comb section in. It's already over curled, so you need to comb it to get that mud to go back in formation. And after that, we're gonna get the next step to help prevent over curling. Okay, now that you got your comb, man, what you want to basically do, start combing that bad boy. What the combing is gonna do is basically, you know, lift your hair up to match the curl length that your hair is over curling at. Now, that's the side you need to focus on, because you need to comb that side, comb the top, comb the sides, everywhere, man. But mainly focus on where it's over curling at. Like, I got a few over curling spots. Well, right now my stuff is not really starting to over curl, but it's a few spots that's starting to over curl because I am woofing right now. So how to prevent that even from starting to happen, how to even skip the over curling part, is basically knowing your lengths and knowing how far you can woof. You can't just jump into big woofs and expect your hair to, you know, be at those levels and be able to lay down. You need to learn your woof capacity and how long you can go. All that is key. And not all wavers are the same, man. So, you know, y'all can't get similar cuts. Y'all can get similar cuts, but it's like, it's different, it varies. Like, my hair looks thicker at a 2.5. So I get 2.5s. You need to find what your hair look good and thickest at. Or you can't see no light shades at. That's for you to do, you know? Don't go in there and start playing with the barber, but go in there and do your thing, man. Tell the barber what you want, to be afraid to talk, all of that. So just finish up with that comb section. Make sure you comb it all the way through, man. Comb the same way you brush and all of that. And we're finna get into the next step. So now that you fully combed out and all of that, what you want to do is simply get you some spray like this right here. You know, oil is gonna soften up your hair and also give it that shine at the same time. And what I mean by softening up your hair is getting that dry, frizzy part that's starting to, you know, over curl. It don't start over curling until you get hot, sweaty, and your hair starts to curl out, because all waves is lay down curls. So get a little bit of that in there. Spray some in your hand. Mix that up. Get it in there while your hair is up. So what we're gonna do is brush it in. Boom. Then you take your brush, get your mirror, and go in the way you brush. You know, I'm starting off on my sides first because I want them all to come in, everything to fully connect and all of that. Shortly after that, you get your plastic bag, nice handy dandy. Boom, take another session in. I like substitute this for my softie and the plastic bag at the same time. Like I have an over curling part right there. I don't know if you can see it, but once I do this little method, it's gonna be laid down. And I hope y'all know what kind of textures y'all got. Like if you're gonna be a waver and you don't know what kind of texture you got, you need to go find out what type of texture you got, because somebody could be telling you wrong. Now, it's a real quick method, man. Now all you gotta do is throw on your do-rag, but it's one thing I'm enforcing and bringing back into the game, man. I ain't seen a lot of y'all do this in a long time. Well, at least from what I seen. Bring that young boo-boo back out. It's that boo-boo cap, man. Put that bad boy on. So the waves covered up. Double compress. Another way. My boo-boo cap really ain't got too much compression left in it, but we gonna make it. Throw that rag on that side. Throw that over there. Hold it tight in the back. No. Tuck. Same thing to the other side. Just like that. Tie it in the back. Easy money. Just like to tuck mine sometimes. Only cause you get tired of compress. Pull it down. Just like that, man. You already know what's going on. We're going on this whip journey. If you follow me, spam it down in the comments. Let me know that you following me on Instagram at ricothewaver. If you following the wave journey, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram so y'all can stay up to date during the weekly. You already know. You already know what it ain't. You know what it is. Rico gang, man.